In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to MailChimp. Whether you're setting up a branded email address or using your domain to create landing pages or a MailChimp website, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get everything up and running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your MailChimp dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of the page. You'll see a search bar right there. It's super handy for finding exactly what you need without having to dig through multiple menus. Go ahead and click into that search bar. Next, type the word domains into the search field. After typing, you'll notice a drop-down list of results appear. From that drop-down, select the one labeled domains. This will take you directly to the domains section of your MailChimp account. Now, once you're on the domains page, it's time to decide what your primary goal is. There are two main paths you can take here, depending on how you want to use your domain. If your intention is to send emails from your own branded address, something like your name at yourdomain.com, you'll want to click the Add and Verify Domain button. On the other hand, if you're planning to use your domain for creating landing pages or building a MailChimp website, you'll need to click the Connected Domain button instead. Take a moment and choose the option that best fits your needs. Let's say you've made your choice. The next step is to enter your domain name when prompted. This is the web address or domain you've already purchased from a domain provider, like yourdomain.com. Along with the domain name, you'll also need to enter the email address you want to use, especially if you're verifying a branded email. Be sure to type this in carefully. Any errors here could create unnecessary delays. Once that information is entered, MailChimp will guide you through the rest of the process with on-screen prompts, depending on what you're trying to do. Whether it's verifying your email domain for sending or connecting your domain for a website, you'll see specific instructions tailored to your goal. These instructions might include tasks like updating your domain's DNS records or confirming ownership through your domain provider. Just follow the steps MailChimp provides. And don't worry if you're unfamiliar with DNS settings or anything like that. MailChimp's guidance is clear and easy to follow. After you've completed the necessary steps, you'll want to check for confirmation. MailChimp provides progress indicators and confirmation messages to let you know the connection or verification process is successful. These confirmations are your green light that everything's set up and ready to go. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your domain to MailChimp, whether for sending emails, creating landing pages, or building a website. It's a process that can seem daunting at first, but once you break it down step by step, it's really quite manageable. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.